This is your weekly trader tip. I'm Brian Benson with this week's tip. I'm having a look at Home Depot. We see on the chart very clearly it's been in a downtrend for most of 2022. It's off about 27% or so from its highs back in December, January timeframe. But I think longer term, I think it's an attractive company at an attractive price here. What I'd like to do is give myself a trade structure that will allow me some leeway to stay in the trade for a while and ride out any shorter term ups and downs pretty well. So I'm looking at doing a call diagonal spread, and to set that up I would go out to December, January, even further if you wanted, and buy a in the money call, and that would be a substitute for owning the shares of the stock. So this is somewhat like a covered call, but I'm using that long call as a proxy for owning the actual stock itself. So with that long call in place, I can go out whatever strike I like. Nearer term, I usually go out about a month, so maybe a September expiration for me, and sell an at-the-money call or a call that is maybe one or two strikes out of the money, and collect premium on that. And that premium offsets my cost on my long call, and it reduces the overall risk that I have on the trade. So I like that. It allows me some leeway to ride out some shorter-term ups and downs in the stock, and still have a very good chance of a profitable trade over time. So right now I'm waiting for the CPI as everybody else is, and we'll see how the general market responds to that. Also of note, Home Depot has earnings on next Tuesday, the 16th, I believe. And we could wait on this trade till post earnings and then take another look at it. We could also put the trade on just before earnings, and to try to take advantage of that higher implied volatility we see on the options as we go into an event like an earnings report. So that has some risks. The stock could fall out of bed on the earnings report. So if you're more conservative, you might want to wait till the day after the earnings report to take a look at this trade. So I'm Brian Benson. I'm with OptionsTradingSignals.com. This has been the Trader Tip of the Week.